Ever wondered how to create stunning AI art with Adobe Firefly? AI art, or artificial intelligence art, is the fascinating intersection of technology and creativity. It's where algorithms and machine learning models take on the role of the artist, generating unique and captivating artwork. These pieces of art aren't predetermined or manually designed. They're born from coded instructions and data, resulting in diverse and unexpected creations. Now that we've understood what AI art is, let's delve into Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly, a game changer in the world of AI art, but what exactly is it? Adobe Firefly is a revolutionary tool that uses the power of machine learning to generate creative designs. It's like having an AI artist at your fingertips, capable of converting your ideas into stunning visual art. It's not just about creating art, it's about sparking your creativity and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Ready to get your hands dirty with Adobe Firefly? Here's how to get started. Creating AI art with Adobe Firefly is an exhilarating experience. Here's how to begin. Adobe Firefly is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, but every new tool requires a bit of exploration. Let's dive into some of its key features. First up, we have text-to-image, a feature that brings your words to life. Simply input your text and Firefly's AI will generate a unique image based on your words. Imagine typing sunset over the ocean and seeing a beautiful seascape materialize right before your eyes. That's the magic of text-to-image. Next, we have the generative fill feature. This tool fills a selected area with a pattern generated by the AI. This isn't your basic fill tool. Firefly creates intricate and unique designs, giving your art a touch of the unexpected. Moving on to text effects, a tool that helps your words become part of the art. With this feature, your text can ripple like water, shimmer like a mirage, or glow like a neon sign. The possibilities are endless, and it's all driven by the power of AI. Finally, we have generative recolor, a feature that uses AI to change the color palette of your artwork. It's like having an AI colorist at your service, able to switch up your palette on a whim. All these features are located in the toolbar, and they're as simple to use as clicking and dragging. And remember, the true strength of Adobe Firefly lies not just in its AI capabilities, but in your creativity. These tools are the brushes, and your imagination is the canvas. Getting started with Adobe Firefly is like embarking on a journey into the uncharted territory of AI art. It's a place where your creativity can run wild, and where the AI is there to help you bring your visions to life. Now, armed with the basics, it's time to make your AI art stand out. Creating stunning AI art is more than just using the tool. Here are some tips to elevate your designs. First and foremost, start with an idea. A clear concept will guide your design process and make your art more cohesive. Next, use style modifiers. They can drastically alter the look of your artwork, adding depth and complexity. Don't be afraid to experiment. Adding a boost word or two can also make a significant difference. These words will inform the AI of the mood or theme you're aiming for. Be clear yet descriptive. The more details you provide, the better the AI can interpret your instructions. Lastly, don't shy away from adding repetitions. Repetition can create rhythm and balance, making your art more aesthetically pleasing. Remember, creating AI art is a journey of exploration and creativity, so enjoy the process. With these tips in your arsenal, let's look at some examples of AI art created with Adobe Firefly. Inspiration is key in art. Let's take a look at some AI art created with Adobe Firefly. From detailed landscapes born from a simple text prompt to abstract patterns made with generative fill, the versatility is breathtaking. Pieces featuring expressive text effects show how typography can come alive. And let's not forget the striking transformations achieved with generative recolor. Remember the power of a clear idea, the impact of style modifiers, and the magic of a well-placed boost word. Creating stunning AI art with Adobe Firefly can be as easy as a breeze if you keep these points in mind. Adobe Firefly is a powerful tool in the hands of a creative mind. We've journeyed through its features from text to image conversion to generative recoloring. We've also shared tips for creating stunning AI art. So are you ready to create your own masterpiece with Adobe Firefly? The canvas is all yours.